Tired of your wallet crying every time you crave a cheesy, delicious Domino's pizza? Well, grab your phone or computer because I'm about to reveal the real secrets to getting Domino's without emptying your bank account. Step 1. Head over to Domino.com. Now, the first place you always check is the Deals tab. Domino's is constantly rotating their online deals, from discounted pizzas to mix and match offers today. We're seeing a large 3-topping pizza for $799 each. Make sure to browse all available coupons because one may just be the deal you are looking for. Next up, let's talk coupons. A quick Google search for Domino's coupons can often reveal hidden gems. Websites like Retailmanot or even Domino's own email list frequently offer promo codes you won't find anywhere else. Don't sleep on Domino's rewards. It's completely free to join. You earn points for every order and redeem those points for free pizzas, so get those points racked up. Just head to the rewards page to track your points and see when you've earned a free pizza or other delicious items. So whether it's online deals, coupon codes, or racking up rewards, don't pay full price for Domino's again. Put these secrets into action. Your stomach and your wallet will thank you. Now go get that pizza and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money saving tips and tricks.